Picture this. You're hurtling towards Mars. The vast expanse of space surrounds you, and the red planet grows larger with every passing second. The anticipation builds as you get closer and closer. The red planet looms large in your vision. But there's a problem. You're not safely inside a spaceship, shielded from the harsh environment. You're not in a spaceship. You're falling. The sensation of freefall grips you, and the Martian surface rushes up to meet you. No parachute, no suit. Just you, exposed to the elements, with nothing to slow your descent. Just you and the thin Martian air. The atmosphere is too thin to provide any real resistance, and you continue to plummet. What would happen during a 5-second freefall on Mars? In those brief moments, your body would experience the full force of Martian gravity. The answer is a chilling tale of physics and human fragility. Let's be clear. The lack of atmospheric pressure would cause your blood to boil, and the extreme cold would freeze you almost instantly. This is a thought experiment, a what-if scenario. It's a way to explore the limits of human endurance and the harsh realities of space travel. Survival in such conditions is impossible. The Martian environment is unforgiving, and without the proper equipment, there's no chance of making it. But it's a powerful way to understand the unforgiving nature of Mars. The challenges we face in exploring this planet are immense, but they also drive us to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's a stark reminder of the challenges we face in our quest to explore the cosmos. Each step we take brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe and the incredible resilience of the human spirit. Earth is blanketed by a life-sustaining atmosphere. It's a shield against the harshness of space. Mars, however, tells a different story. Its atmosphere is a mere whisper compared to Earth's. It's composed primarily of carbon dioxide, a suffocating shroud for humans. Oxygen, the breath of life, exists only in trace amounts. This difference in atmospheric composition is crucial. It sets the stage for a fall vastly different from anything experienced on Earth. Atmospheric pressure is another critical factor. On Earth, we're constantly under pressure from the weight of the air above us. This pressure is what allows us to breathe, to live. Mars has a much lower atmospheric pressure. It's less than 1% of Earth's. This difference is like night and day. It dictates how objects fall, how sounds travel, even how liquids behave. Imagine standing on the summit of Mount Everest. The air is thin, difficult to breathe. Now imagine an environment 100 times thinner. That's Mars. In such conditions, a falling human would experience minimal resistance. 5 seconds on Mars is an eternity. In those brief moments, the hostile environment of the red planet would unleash its full fury upon you. In those fleeting moments, your body would be bombarded by extreme conditions. The temperature swings wildly, from freezing cold to scorching heat, and the radiation levels are off the charts. The thin atmosphere offers little resistance. Unlike Earth, where the thick atmosphere cushions your fall, Mars provides no such comfort. You wouldn't plummet like a stone, but you'd accelerate much faster than on Earth. The lower gravity might seem like a blessing, but it only adds to the disorientation. The feeling would be alien, disorienting. Your senses would struggle to make sense of the new reality, and your body would be in a state of shock. As you fall, the lack of atmospheric pressure would take its toll. Your body, accustomed to Earth's pressure, would be thrown into chaos. The pressure difference between your internal organs and the Martian environment would be catastrophic. Your blood would start to boil, and your tissues would expand uncontrollably. Imagine the air being sucked out of your lungs, leaving you gasping for breath. The thin atmosphere offers no oxygen, and your body would be starved of the life-giving gas. The pressure building in your head would be unbearable. Your eyes would bulge, and your eardrums would be on the verge of bursting. It's a gruesome picture, but a necessary one to paint the full picture of this Martian plunge. Understanding these dangers is crucial for any future missions to Mars. Section 5. The Martian Deep Freeze. Mars is a planet of extremes. Temperatures swing wildly between day and night. The average surface temperature is a bone-chilling -63 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the coldest winter day on Earth. And during your 5-second descent, you'd experience this frigid embrace firsthand. The thin atmosphere offers little protection from the cold. The heat would be sucked out of your body, leaving you vulnerable to hypothermia. Every second would feel like an hour in a freezer, your core temperature plummeting towards dangerous levels. Section 6. The Silent Killer. We often think of dramatic, visible dangers in space, but some of the most potent threats are silent and invisible. On Mars, one such threat is radiation. Earth's magnetic field and thick atmosphere protect us from harmful cosmic rays. Mars, however, lacks a global magnetic field. Its thin atmosphere offers little shielding. During your 5-second fall, you'd be exposed to dangerous levels of radiation. It wouldn't be a sudden, explosive event. Instead, it would be a silent assault on your cells, damaging DNA and increasing the risk of cancer. Section 7. A planetary minefield. Mars is a dusty planet. Fine, reddish dust covers its surface. It's whipped into giant dust storms that can engulf the entire planet. These storms are a hazard for spacecraft and rovers. They're also a danger to unprotected humans. Imagine falling through a Martian dust storm. The fine particles would clog your respiratory system, making it difficult to breathe. Not that you could breathe the Martian air anyway. The dust would irritate your eyes, obscuring your vision. It would be a sensory overload, a final disorienting assault on your senses. Section 8. Mars, a forbidding frontier. Mars, the red planet, has always been a source of fascination and mystery for humanity. Its barren landscapes and harsh conditions present a formidable challenge, yet it beckons us with the promise of discovery and adventure. Our hypothetical fall highlights the harsh realities of Mars. The rocky terrain, unpredictable weather, and lower gravity make every step a potential hazard. Each stumble is a stark reminder of the planet's unforgiving nature. It's a stark reminder of the challenges we face in exploring this alien world. The Martian atmosphere, thin and composed mostly of carbon dioxide, offers little protection from the sun's radiation and the planet's frequent dust storms. Equipment malfunctions can be life-threatening in such an environment, but it's also a testament to the human spirit of exploration. Despite the dangers, we continue to push forward, driven by our innate curiosity and desire to explore the unknown. Each milestone achieved on Mars is a victory for all of humanity. We dream of walking on Mars, of unraveling its mysteries. The red planet holds secrets about the formation of our solar system and possibly even the origins of life itself. Every rock and soil sample collected brings us one step closer to understanding these profound questions. To achieve this dream, we must develop technologies to overcome these challenges. We need advanced spacesuits that can withstand the harsh conditions, pressurized habitats to live and work in, and radiation shielding to protect us from the sun's harmful rays. These innovations are not just for survival but for thriving on Mars. The road to Mars is long and fraught with danger. The journey itself is a monumental challenge, requiring months of travel through the void of space. Once there, the Martian environment tests our resilience and ingenuity at every turn. Dust storms can last for weeks, cutting off solar power and communication, but the rewards, both scientific and inspirational, are immeasurable. Discovering evidence of past or present life on Mars would be one of the greatest scientific achievements in history. The knowledge gained from Mars exploration could also pave the way for future missions to even more distant worlds. The quest to explore Mars is a journey worth taking, even if it means confronting the possibility of a 5-second freefall into the unknown. Each step on Mars is a leap into the future, a testament to human courage and determination. So, the next time you gaze upon the red planet in the night sky, remember this story. Think of the pioneers who dared to dream of setting foot on Mars and the countless hours of research and preparation that go into making that dream a reality. Remember the unforgiving nature of Mars. Its severe terrain and relentless dust storms are constant reminders of the challenges that lie ahead. Yet these obstacles only strengthen our resolve to explore and understand this enigmatic world, and remember the human spirit that dares to dream of conquering it. Our determination to explore Mars is a reflection of our broader quest to push the boundaries of what is possible. It is a journey that embodies the essence of human curiosity and resilience. To learn more about the challenges and triumphs of space exploration, subscribe to our channel and join us on this incredible journey. Together, we can witness the unfolding story of humanity's quest to explore the cosmos.